everyone. For today's video, we discuss the parts of the car and their function. So first, we have the namely of side mirror. Side mirror is essential for providing drivers with a wider field of view, enhancing safety and reducing blind spots. So the next one, we have the signal light. Used for vital communicating or intention to other drivers. First, we have the namely of side mirror. Side mirror is also known as wing mirror or door mirrors, are essential for providing drivers with a wider field of view, enhancing safety and reducing blind spots. The next one is we have a signal light. Signal light, also known as turn signal or indicators, are vital for communicating your intention to other drivers on the road. They help to prevent accident by letting others know when you're planning to turn, change lanes, or stop. The next one, we have the doors. Doors provides access to the passenger compartment. Next is we have the clutch. The clutch is a vital component in a manual transmission car that allows the driver to smoothly engage and disengage the engine from the transmission. The next, we have a seat belt. A seat belt is a crucial safety device that helps protect passenger during crash or sudden stop. Next one, we have the windshield wiper to use the clean the doors. The next one, we have the windshield wiper to clean the windshield. The next, we have the steering wheel. Steering wheel is the primary interface between the driver and the car steering system. It allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels. Next one, we have the roof. Roof provides protection from the elements. The next one, we have the trunk. The trunk provides storage space for luggage and other items. The next, we have the plate number. The use of plate number is the identification of your vehicle. We have the windows. Windows provide visibility and ventilation. The next, we have the chair. We have the furniture. The using of chair is a set of complex pieces of engineering design to provide both comfort and safety for passengers. The next one, we have the wheels. Wheels support the weight of the car and allow it to roll. This is the one is tires. Tires provide traction and absorb shock from the road surface. The next one, we have the brake. Brake system in a car is a complex and crucial safety feature that allows you to slow down or stop your vehicle. That's all of the parts and function of the car. Thank you, sir.